Hey, welcome to our first video in our new series called Unlock Your Wish Guitar Creativity with Simple Techniques for Crafting Killer Guitar Parts. Hi, my name is Kutsia, and I'm excited to share some exciting and creative ways that you can enhance your worship guitar playing. You see, as worship guitar players, it's important that we have a variety of options available to us when it comes to the different types of guitar parts we can play on a Sunday. And in this series, I'll be covering everything from single note ideas to dyads, to power chords, to triads, embellished triads, and even open triads. But before we dive into all of the specifics, it's really important that we understand that the key to creating cool sounding worship guitar parts is really to experiment with different concepts and techniques. And that's exactly what we'll be doing in this series. And in this first video, I'll be playing through all the different parts so you can hear and see them in action. And then in the following videos, we'll unpack all of these parts one by one. I'll show you how to use the techniques and the concepts to create a sense of movement and flow in your playing. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, this series is specifically designed to help you take your worship guitar playing to the next level. So grab your guitar and let's get started. All right, I hope you enjoyed that piece. There's obviously a ton of guitar parts. I think something like 18 or 20 different guitar parts. Obviously, in real life, you wouldn't do that many. You'd rather take less ideas and you'll develop them in different ways. But I wanted to show you that just to kind of show you, the range of different creative options that you have at your disposal to play over a chord progression that doesn't even change for the whole song, right? So it was the same chord progression all throughout, 1, 6, 4, 5, and then just using a different range of different techniques from rhythm, the different types of chords, the string grouping, the areas on the neck, and even playing around with the tone. So if you'd like to learn all those specific parts, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you'll get notifications when we release videos where we're going to show you how to play those exact parts, the techniques, the chords, the tone. We're going to do a detailed breakdown on all of those parts. And then we're also putting together a pack where you can get access to the track and the actual tabs and a bunch of other goodies. We'll put the link in the description once that's available. But for now, make sure you subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Cheers.